All right, you guys, we have a Corvette right here. We're gonna bring down the transmission. We're taking down the exhaust. All right, as you guys can see. Okay. We have to bring all this down right here. All of this is coming down so that we can drop the transmission. The transmission is in the back of the vehicle, you guys. As you can see, there's been a lot of oil spillage here. You guys have any questions? Go ahead and leave any comments. As you guys can see, there's another bolt right here. This has to come loose right after you put this bottom piece down. But it's gonna come out from right here, all the way from the root. Suspension, gotta take that off. The rear, we gotta take all this off right here. Slowly but surely. You can see it has a converter right here. Ford converter. If you have any questions, go ahead, leave a comment. So as you guys can see, the whole transmission was brought down already on this Vette. I told you guys, the whole rear suspension came down. This whole bracket right here came down. As you can see, okay. Axles were left on there, okay. Unhinged it. He unhinged it from the shocks, the struts. Okay, from up here, he brought the whole brace down. As you can see, we have all the exhaust right here, the back brace that I was telling you. Okay, transmission came off, sensors connected, the O2 sensors. Okay. Okay, this is the transmission, the shifter reader. So when you shift it, it reads, it tells the computer what gear you're in. Okay. ¿Cuánto duró para quitar esa transmisión? Like an hour of work. An hour of work to bring down this transmission. There it is right there. If you guys have the right tools in the lift, you guys can bring it down. If you guys have any questions, go ahead, leave a comment. Let me know. Okay. As you guys can see, this is a torque converter, you guys. Okay. Has three bolts right there. Now the way that came off, you guys, there's actually a hole in here. So you go ahead and take one bolt off, turn it, and there's three, like I said. This is what it looks like. Okay. Lines, okay. Transmission lines, you have two lines. Okay, you have the little bracket that pulls it, that shifts it, the shifter. Okay, link. Okay. If you guys have the right tools, you guys can do it. It's not a hard job. The hardest job would be rebuilding the transmission, taking it apart, just assembling it piece by piece, restoring it. And that's a more complicated part. Really easy, taking everything off. guys, everything that Manny took apart from the transmission is right here. Everything is really nice and clean, you guys. Okay, as you guys can see, everything is really nice and clean. He painted the housing. Okay, and this is what he washes his stuff with right here. The special machine right here. It spins it. Whoosh. Close that, you guys. It's really hot in there. Okay, that's where he washes his stuff at. So he went ahead. He cleaned up everything really nice from any oil, any dust, anything that wasn't the parts. You know, they're all sanitized now. Really nice. He went to go pick up some new pieces that he's gonna replace. Okay, some things that he cannot clean up and just have. Okay, as you guys can see, this is all new stuff that's going in the car. Okay, all new parts, gaskets. Okay, solenoid, okay. Bands. Whole gasket key, you guys, for the transmission. Okay. We're gonna open this up and show you guys a little better, just so you guys can see where all this stuff goes. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so as you guys can see, we have bushings, we have solenoids. Okay, we have a band. Okay, filter, gaskets. Okay, friction plates. All of this is going in. Okay, we need all these parts to rebuild the transmission, and these are parts that you have to replace because they go bad on the vehicle. We don't want any fails. We want this to come out right, correct the first time, so we don't go back in there. Okay, this is a whole gasket kit. Okay, there's a part number right there. Okay, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment. I'm gonna put the part number list and the details below, and let's get building this transmission. Yeah. And of course, we cannot forget the torque converter, you guys. This is going in. Okay, this is a rebuilt one. Okay, so a new a rebuilt torque converter is going in as well. Okay. Okay, you guys see the suspension that was brought down. Okay, the new tranny is already in, you guys. As you guys can see. Okay. Let's go. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cool videos.